A gift card or reward showing already redeemed does not always mean someone else used it. In many cases, the reward was already linked to your account. The code was activated automatically, or there was a delay between redemption and delivery. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons this happens, how to check whether your reward was actually claimed, and what to do if the problem doesn't go away. Start by checking your Rewarded Play redemption history. Open the app, go to your rewards or redemption section, and look for the transaction that matches the reward you're trying to use. If it shows as completed, the app has already processed your redemption. Next, check the email address connected to your Rewarded Play account. Search for the merchant name, the gift card brand, and words like reward or gift card. Sometimes the code arrives in a different email than expected, or ends up in the spam or promotions folder. If you're redeeming a digital gift card, make sure you're following the correct redemption process. Some rewards are added directly to an account instead of requiring you to enter a code manually. If the merchant already accepted the reward, trying to redeem the same code again will usually trigger an already redeemed message. If you copied the code manually, copy it again directly from the email or reward page. Extra spaces before or after the code can sometimes cause errors. Also confirm you're redeeming it on the correct website or app for that specific gift card. Now check whether you accidentally redeemed the same reward on another device. If you're signed into the same account on multiple phones or tablets, it's possible the reward was opened and redeemed earlier without you realizing it. If none of those steps solve the problem, gather your information before contacting support. Take screenshots of the redemption confirmation, the error message, and the reward details. Include the email address connected to your account and explain exactly what happened. That gives the support team enough information to investigate, instead of asking you for the same details later. If support confirms the reward was already redeemed on their system, ask where it was delivered or attached. If they find a processing error, they can review the redemption and explain the next step. The key things to remember are to verify your redemption history, check every possible delivery location, and collect screenshots before contacting support. Those steps solve most already redeemed issues, or speed up the support process. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out the next video for more Rewarded Play fixes.